Family Channel presents
Well, we're here cooking with my boy. I thought I'd show you guys a little bit of what I'm doing as far as dinner and supplies, this kind of thing. How does he lose weight? What's his diet like? And I showed you a little bit of my diet in one of my episodes, but this is one of them. As you can see here, my boy's having, and the rest of the family are having these grilled cheese sandwiches. Nothing wrong with those. Myself, I'm actually having some delicious beef. It might be lamb, I'm not sure, it was in the freezer. Nobody eats like this these days. You know, we think that high fat and lots of beans, potatoes, meat potatoes is bad for you. It's actually not. That's what we used to have in the 50s and the 60s, right? Until they changed all that to low fat. What happened? People pumped up, got all super pumped. This stuff's actually good for you. You just have to know how to make it. So here we go. Little meat, little potatoes. High fat, love it. And a can of corn. Woo! Tell me, that's not going to make a super delicious meal. It is. Yeah, this is looking real good. So, I put my potatoes into my beef. Added some of this fantastic Montreal seasoning here from Grill Masters. Woo, they love it. Get that at Sam's right there. Just all seasoning. A little pink salt, a little pepper. Spice that up. You know what they say? A lot of salt, this and that. Did your grandfather, grandmother have a problem with salt? They do, but they're what? 90 now? So if you've lived to 90, you deserve to have a little bit of a heart attack, right? If not, then you better be eating how they used to eat. Now I've opened up my can of corn here, which is that healthy for you? Well, it sure beats Mickey D's, so there we go. That goes in there. We're just gonna kind of keep that separate for the rest of it here as this goes. Pop that right in. Oh, it's time to go. And you know what that means? Let's go. There's a touch of oil. Now, I've already put a lot of oil in here, but whoa, what kind of oil are you using? I actually like olive oil, but is using oil a sin? No, it's not. High fat? Where do you think you get your brain cells from? Your whole brain is made out of one big fatty tissue. Eliminate the fat, eliminate the brain. That's right. I'm going to sharpen this thing now. Anyway, woo! That's going to be good. Because, yeah, let's leave it. Now, serve that. What kind of a portion am I looking for? Well, I'm looking for all of it, right? Put that over there. Oh, turn that right on. And corn. Yeah. There we go. You know what? Who are we kidding? We're not fooling anybody. Are you fooling yourself? No. Let's just put all of it on there. Big portion. We deserve it. And on this side too. There we go. Now, I mean, if I don't pour it now, I'm just going to come back for it. We know that. So, that's a meal. Now, I know what you're thinking, right? A lot of food here. This is actually going to digest. And am I going to get full? I'm not going to get stuffed. Am I going to get full? Maybe, but I'm treating myself. It's one of those treat times. I'm not going to get stuffed. I'm going to get full. Stuffed would take 2 of these. High fat? Yes. A lot of sodium? Yes. A lot of sugar? Well, it's on the corn, but it's got the fiber in there, so it's okay. This is way better than filling up with a double Big Mac surprise at McDonald's, right? Definitely. Am I trimming down? You tell me. Hey, we're down to 248, right? Bon appetit. And we'll see you next time on the diet that works, the super diet.